Alrighty, Davey, we're back at it.
What's up, Larry? Nice to see you. We got our buddy Francois' Tundra here. Had it at another shop. They put some subs in here, some Rockford subs. Didn't really wire it correctly, so they were blown within a couple weeks. Brought it into us. We put the square kicker 10s in here, which are a better quality subwoofer. Fixed the grounding issue that they had from the original install, so there wasn't any issues going on with it anymore. QC'd the whole installation. They didn't give them a bass knob, even though they were supposed to. It came with the amp, but they didn't install it probably because they want to save some service time. So we put an audio control LC1 in here for him as for a bass knob in the center console. Got it all tuned up, and it's rock and rolling now, man.
Nice. So what? Why did he bring it here? What happened with that?
It just he wasn't happy with the fact that 2 weeks after he bought the truck, the subs were blown, and they weren't answering the phone. We're giving them any answers.
That was due to what?
The grounding issue. The ground was literally non-existent almost.
Okay.
So
could we fire this up and
yeah, for sure.
see how it sounds?
This is the front end of the vehicle. Like I said before, they didn't have a bass knob at all, which was preposterous. So we put the Pack Audio LC1 in here. They had a lower grade Boss Audio head unit. We're actually going to be upgrading this pretty soon for him on his next trip. Also, one thing that you really don't get in a lot of places is like they don't take the time to tune it, you know. So they put the head unit in, subwoofer was turned down to 3, the crossover was wrong on the subwoofer, all the EQ on the door speakers was just totally off. So what you get from here at Stereo Installs, even though we didn't mess with it, we give you that whole experience, you know. So I retuned everything, got all the crossover points correct, everything's set, the gains on the amp are all messed up, so everything's correct now and how we would want it to leave.
Let's turn it up. Francois, how you doing?
I'm doing great, man. I'm just so thankful for you guys at Stereo Installs in Mentor. Please come check them out. They did a good job of hooking up my speakers here in the back after I did drop my truck off and didn't have it serviced. And then my speakers were blown within a couple of days. So they did a great job with this truck. I'm so thankful for you guys. Come check these people out. They are the real deal.
Thank you so much,
Right,
Francois.
thank you so much,
we
man.
appreciate your business.
Your business. Oh yeah, you guys, I'm coming back.
Thank
I'm
you.
actually gonna come back and have you guys do my 350 for me.
Great.
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much.